Washington University is an excellent place to study intellectual property for a number of reasons. First, our faculty. We have in-house a number of intellectual property scholars who are doing robust research at the cutting edge of the intellectual property field. In addition to that, we have an amazing intellectual property curriculum. Our faculty who write in these areas follow through and teach a great deal in these areas as well. We have at Washington University a intellectual property LLM degree. An LLM degree, which is a postgraduate degree, specializes in intellectual property. That's not a degree that most entering JD students would end up receiving, but it demonstrates our commitment to continually providing a very lengthy and robust set of intellectual property courses. At Washington University, those courses really come in 4 different categories. Introductory courses in the patent law area, in copyright, in trademark law. We also offer every year an international intellectual property course, as well as a survey of intellectual property course. The last being intended primarily for students to figure out whether they have an interest in intellectual property. Furthermore, Washington University has a really well-regarded clinical program in general, and one of the clinics focuses on nonprofit and intellectual property law. Washington University is a school that places its students nationally. We have both robust connections with the market here in St. Louis, where we regularly find intellectual property placements for our students, but it's also very common for our students who are studying intellectual property here to have come from the West Coast or from the East Coast or from Chicago or from the South. We regularly place students back in those areas from which they came. We place our students nationally. So it's a great school to attend whether you're interested in practicing intellectual property here in St. Louis or somewhere else in the continental U.S.